Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the Play Store while signed into the exact Google account that bought the recharge. Once done, tap your profile icon at the top right to reveal account controls. Make sure to select Payments and Subscriptions so you see active purchases and payment methods. This is where recharge records live. I want you to focus on the purchase date and amount now, because identifying the correct recharge entry prevents canceling unrelated services or removing the wrong payment method later. Next, go into Purchase History and scan the list for the recharge. Look at date, amount, and merchant name to confirm it's the right one. Once you tap that entry, read the details. Google sometimes offers refund, request refund, or cancel depending on timing and the vendor. If refund is shown, follow prompts to request it. If cancel is shown, confirm cancellation. If neither appears, you will need to contact the app or carrier shown in the purchase details for a manual reversal. Finally, complete the on-screen prompts to confirm cancellation or submit a refund request. Save any confirmation ID or receipt for records. If the option points to the app developer or your carrier, use the contact info in the purchase details to ask for a refund. Explain why and include the confirmation ID. If your request is denied, escalate by opening Google Play Help and filing a dispute. And make sure to check your payment method statement for the final status within 3 to 7 business days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.